Good day, everyone! Welcome to another lesson. So I'm Francesca, and today we will be exploring a unique group of lipids that serves a natural, essential protective function in nature. So, do you know what it is? Okay, it's waxes. So, good job for those who guessed it right. So, let's begin. So, on the screen, I have two apples. So, what do you notice about them? If you said that the other one looks shinier, then you are correct. The reason why the other one is shinier, it's because it has wax. It is coated in wax. It is nature's protective shield. It's like a raincoat for living things. So I hope you are ready to explore waxes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define what waxes are, understand their structural and functional groups, list down the types and properties, as well as recognizing the biological and industrial significance they have. So come on, let's buzz in. So waxes are a special type of lipid which act as a protective natural coating. You can find them on the surfaces of fruits, leaves, animal fur, feathers, and even on our skin. So their main job is to prevent water loss, waterproof surfaces, and protect against physical damages just like scratches and environmental exposure. So first, what are waxes, chemically speaking? So waxes are formed through esterification. So if you knew that beforehand, very good, you did your research. So esterification is a reaction between a fatty acid and a monohydric alcohol. Hence, waxes is considered to be esters. Now let's talk about chemistry. Most natural waxes are esters. Esters meaning they are compounds formed by the reaction of long-chain fatty acids and long-chain alcohols. These chains usually range from 16 to 36 carbon atoms. So next we have here the physical and the chemical properties of waxes. So first up, we have that waxes are water insoluble, meaning that they repel water. Aside from that, they are solid at room temperature with high melting points. They are also non-reactive, meaning that they are chemically stable. So can you think of a reason why these properties are important in nature? So one of the answers is to prevent water loss, among many things. So let's continue on the classifications of waxes. So they have two major classifications, the natural waxes and also the synthetic waxes. So first up, we have natural waxes, which are produced by living organisms, either by plants or by animals. So their main role is to serve as a protective role in nature. So we have here beeswax, lanolin, and spermaceti. For plant-based, we have carnauba wax, which comes from the carnauba palm tree. So first up, we have here lanolin. So lanolin is a natural wax that is secreted by the sebaceous glands of wool-bearing animals, just like, for example, sheep. So it is made of esters, alcohols, and fatty acids. It is commonly used in moisturizers and also ointments because it has an effective water-repellent property. So next we have here our beeswax. Beeswax are produced by honeybees and consist mainly of fatty acids and long-chain alcohols. You'll find it in cosmetics, polishes, and some pharmaceutical products. Next we have here is carnauba wax, which comes from the leaves of the carnauba tree. It is highly known for being highly durable and glossy. It is perfect for car polishes, cosmetics, and also food coatings. So lastly, we have here spermaceti wax, which is traditionally harvested from the head cavity of sperm whales, although today it is now synthetically made. It mainly consists of cetyl palmitate and was once mainly used in candles and ointments. So moving on, we have synthetic waxes. So for synthetic waxes, these are often man-made or chemically modified. They are often used because they're cheaper, more stable, and also easy to customize. So for synthetic waxes, we have paraffin wax, microcrystalline wax, and also oxidized polyethylene wax. So paraffin wax is derived from crude oil. It is commonly used for candles, food packaging, and also crayons. For microcrystalline wax, it is also petroleum derived but with a finer crystal structure. It is more elastic and also used in cosmetics, chewing gum, and also electrical insulation. So in nature, waxes are more than just coatings. In plants, they protect leaves from evaporation. While for animals, earwax would protect from dust, and also lanolin will keep the fur soft. So why do you think the functions are important? Yes, because they help with survival and water retention. So very good. Waxes are vital for adaptation, protection, and also maintaining moisture. So now we have here the spot the incorrect statement activity. I will show you 3 statements and you will comment down below what statement is incorrect. So for the first statement, waxes are made of short chain fatty acids. Second statement, waxes are water resistant. Third statement, waxes function as a protective layer. So what do you think is the incorrect statement? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay, very good. It is number 1. Waxes are made of long chain fatty acids, not short ones. To wrap it all up, again, to reiterate, waxes are esters with long chain fatty acids and alcohols. It has 2 types, synthetic and natural. They also have industrial value aside from being a natural protective coating. Okay. Before we end, we have here a 3-2-1 reflection. So on your paper or device, write 3 things you learned today, 2 questions you still have, and 1 real-world use of wax. This will help me know what you understand, what you're curious about, and how you relate science to life. Thank you for listening, class. You were amazing. See you next session.